Alright, so we all know DeWalt, right? If you're into fixing stuff, building things, or just love a good DIY project, chances are you've got some DeWalt gear in your arsenal. And why not? Their tools are tough as nails, built to last, and always coming up with cool new ideas to make our lives easier. This is our third video, showcasing the 20 DeWalt tools you have probably never seen before. So, pick the right tool for you, and enjoy. The DeWalt Coil Roofing Nailer, model DW45RN, is a powerhouse in roofing tools, offering an impressive high-speed valve technology that drives nails at a rate of up to 10 nails per second, significantly increasing productivity and efficiency. This tool is powerful and designed with the user's comfort in mind. Its foolproof design is lighter than leading competitive coil roofing nailers, reducing strain and fatigue during extended use. The DW45RN roofing nailer is built to last, boasting a robust engine and feed system that ensures durability and long service life. The addition of steel skid plates with rubber inserts protects the tool and prevents it from sliding during use, enhancing safety and precision. The tool's depth adjustment wheel with numbered detents allows for driving nails to the proper depth into a variety of materials, making it versatile and suitable for various roofing projects, particularly asphalt shingle roofing. The DeWalt Coil Roofing Nailer is a comprehensive package that combines power, speed, durability, and user-friendly features to deliver a superior roofing solution. Looking for 100% battery-powered XR nailers and staplers to simplify your work? Relax, we have the DeWalt XR nailers and staplers, model DCN680 for you that eliminates the need for gas, compressors, and hoses. This tool is powered by a brushless motor that maximizes runtime and durability, ensuring consistent performance. Its micro-nose improves the line of sight and accuracy of nail placement, making it a superior choice compared to its predecessor, the DeWalt XR nailers and staplers. The tool-free depth adjustment allows for precise countersinking of nails, while the tool-free jam release ensures quick and easy clearance of nail jams. It also features multifunctional LED lights for workspace illumination and tool diagnostics, a tool-free selectable trigger, an integrated tool-free stall release lever, and a low nail lockout to prevent dry firing, ensuring professional quality results with every use. The DeWalt DCS376B bandsaw is a powerful and efficient tool designed for cutting pipe, strut, and conduit. It boasts a 5-inch cutting capacity, capable of cutting up to 4-inch SCH40 pipe and double strut. It requires dual switch activation to ensure two-handed operation, enhancing safety. It features a DeWalt-built brushless motor for superior performance and durability, and a speed control dial to match the needs of various applications. The integrated hang hook allows for easy storage without damaging the front handle or base, while the toolless blade changing lever simplifies blade changes. The LED work light illuminates dark work surfaces for accurate cutting. The bandsaw comes with an 18 TPI blade and weighs 12.4 pounds. The DeWalt DCS376B bandsaw is a reliable and efficient tool for various cutting applications. Meet the DeWalt 60V Max Cordless SDS Max Chipping Hammers. It is a powerful and efficient solution for concrete surface prep and chipping tasks. The DCH832 and DCH892 models come equipped with shocks to reduce vibration, enhancing user comfort and control. The wireless tool control feature allows for remote activation when linked to the 60V DCV 585 dust extractor, ensuring a cleaner and safer work environment. The hammers also feature a tag-ready area for virtual tracking using the DeWalt Tool Connect app, making it easy to manage and locate tools. The DeWalt 60V Max Cordless SDS Max Chipping Hammers are a reliable and durable choice for demanding chipping applications. Want a powerful and portable solution for achieving OSHA Table 1 compliance on the job site? Meet the DeWalt 60V Max Cordless Dust Extractor. With a 125 CFM airflow, it is suitable for up to 5-inch tuck pointing and surfacing applications when paired with an appropriate dust shroud. The extractor features automatic filter cleaning and comes with dual filters, including a HEPA filter. The wireless tool control feature allows for wireless on-off capability when paired with the included remote or a wireless tool control-enabled tool. The extractor can be used for wet or dry applications and meets the EPA lead-related renovations, repair, and painting rule for HEPA vacuums when used with the included HEPA filter. It is a versatile and efficient tool for concrete dust extraction, drywall dust extraction, and light cleanup applications. Next up, we have the DeWalt Fast Charger for your reliable and efficient solution for charging DeWalt 20V Max and Flexvolt 20V or 60V Max batteries. This 12A fast charger offers a high charge rate that rapidly charges batteries, allowing you to stay productive on the job. The two-stage LED state of charge indicator displays the charging status and indicates when the battery is fully charged. The charger features an internal fan that circulates air across the batteries to reduce hot or cold pack delays, resulting in faster charging times. It also has mounting capabilities, allowing you to easily attach it to a wall. The charger is compatible with a variety of applications, including charging DeWalt batteries. The package includes one DCB 1112 fast charger and 2 batteries. With its robust design and advanced features, the DeWalt Fast Charger is a preferable pick for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Now, here comes the DeWalt Flexvolt Pipe Threader is a powerful and efficient tool for threading black iron pipe, rigid conduit, and more. It features a high-performance brushless motor that delivers Flexvolt cordless power for long runtime in demanding applications without the hassle of power cords. The anti-rotation e-clutch system, a perform and protect feature, increases user control and shuts down the tool if necessary in bind-up situations. The tool also comes with an oil-resistant glass-filled nylon battery housed in a latched and sealed battery box for added protection from cutting oils. The patent-pending pipe clamp with a depth gauge allows for quick setup, while the die arm can be used to start threads without direct contact with the spinning die head. The Flexvolt Pipe Threader is ideal for threading up to 2-inch Schedule 40 black iron pipe, electrical conduit, galvanized pipe, and IMC pipe in concrete masonry applications. The next tool is great for residential wiring applications. The DeWalt 20V cordless cable stapler is a versatile tool designed for both DIY professionals and casual citizens. It features a proprietary cable guide that helps line up shots and drive staples over cables, making it ideal for fastening Romex brand wires and other types of cables. The center-mounted LED light eliminates shadows and illuminates the work area in low light conditions. The extended trigger provides easy use in multiple orientations, while the adjustable belt hook allows for left or right attachment depending on the user's preference. This cable stapler is compatible with DeWalt DRS 18,100 1-inch insulated cable staples and all DeWalt 20V Max batteries, and is a reliable and efficient tool for a variety of cable stapling applications. If you are facing issues with your Wi-Fi system at the job site, we have the DeWalt Jobsite Wi-Fi access point for you. It is a rugged and reliable solution for extending Wi-Fi access from the job site office or trailer to the rest of the site. With an IP67 rating, it is protected against dust and water, making it ideal for use in harsh construction environments. The access point is simple to set up using the DeWalt Wi-Fi app, without the need for additional IT support. It can mount to both vertical and horizontal surfaces and can withstand operating in various temperatures. The adaptable mesh network automatically connects and reconfigures as the building progresses, and can even repair itself if one unit goes down. The DeWalt Jobsite Wi-Fi access point includes one DCT100 access point and 2 weather seals. If you work at poorly lit job sites, the DeWalt DC070 area light can be a versatile and powerful lighting solution. With up to 7,000 lumens and the ability to operate either corded or cordless, it eliminates the need for extra long extension cords. The light features instant on-off with no warm-up, dimming down to 500 lumens, and right-left light control, making it adaptable to almost any job site. The light can be stacked for easy storage and features an onboard charger with a door lock option for security. It also features Tool Connect Bluetooth technology, allowing you to turn the light on/off remotely, program it with scheduled times, and track its location using the Tool Connect app. The last seen feature helps reduce wasted time and money by providing the street address of where the light was last in range of your Tool Connect enabled device. It can be used for large area lighting and is a valuable addition to any Tool Connect inventory management solution. Looking for an efficient tool to clean debris? Meet the DeWalt DCBL 770X1 handheld blower. With up to 423 CFM of air volume at 129 miles per hour, it powers through even the most stubborn debris. The flat concentrator nozzle increases air speeds to 175 miles per hour for even more power. The high-efficiency brushless motor maximizes runtime and motor life, ensuring that you can get the job done quickly and efficiently. The variable speed trigger and speed lock give you total power control, while the lightweight and ergonomic design maximizes control and minimizes stress on your arm. This kit includes a Flexvolt 20V or 60V max 9 Ah battery, a charger, and one concentrator attachment. The DCBL 770X1 is designed to withstand everyday heavy-duty usage, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Having a saw that can run for a long time is always the best cutting tool for professionals. So there we have the DeWalt DCS 577 circular saw, which is a powerful and versatile tool that delivers impressive runtime with its cordless design and a 9 Ah battery. Featuring a left-oriented blade, a rear handle for the optimal line of sight, and a durable magnesium shoe, it ensures smooth, accurate cuts. The brushless motor enhances performance and longevity. With a bevel capacity of 53 degrees and a substantial depth of cut at 90 degrees, it offers versatility for various applications. Experience convenience with electronic brakes, onboard blade wrench storage, and compatibility with Tool Connect tag. The DeWalt DCJ069XR heated jacket is designed to keep you warm and comfortable in the harshest weather conditions on the job site. Powered by DeWalt's lithium-ion batteries, this jacket takes warmth to a whole new level. Equipped with 3 heating zones and 3 heat settings, it lets you control your comfort with easily accessible controls. With extensive runtime, it keeps your core body warm throughout the entire day. Stay protected against the elements with its water and wind-resistant cotton twill outer shell. Want to functionalize your cutting experience with a powerhouse tool? Meet the DeWalt DCS 365 miter saw. The XPS cutline system casts a perfect shadow on your cut line, ensuring precision and accuracy with every cut. Operating at an impressive 3,750 revolutions per minute, this miter saw gives you the freedom and flexibility of a cordless tool without compromising on performance. With an astonishing 250 cuts per charge, the runtime is exceptional, and the XPS light conveniently flashes when the battery charge is low. The miter angle adjustment system provides a precise and consistent setting of miter angles from 0 to 60 degrees, right, and 0 to 50 degrees left, while the miter and bevel angle detents allow for quick and easy setup of the saw. The next tool is the DeWalt DCL 182 Rechargeable LED Task Light. It is a versatile companion that offers exceptional illumination with its pivoting light head and strong magnets for easy mounting on metal surfaces. It is designed for convenience and has a carabiner for effortless transport and storage. It also provides up to 12 hours of runtime, and with a quick charge time of as little as 85 minutes using a 5 VDC 3A power supply brick, you'll never be left in the dark for long. From illuminating work areas to adapting to various job site needs, this task light delivers on all fronts. The DeWalt ASENT lawnmower is a tool that sets a new standard for professional landscaping equipment. This innovative addition to DeWalt's lineup is designed to revolutionize the way you maintain outdoor spaces, providing unparalleled performance and efficiency. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the DeWalt ASENT lawnmower is the ultimate tool for professionals who demand the very best. With its cutting-edge HE2 high-efficiency cutting deck, This mower delivers exceptional cut quality at high speeds while consuming less power than traditional decks. Equipped with exclusive X-Blade technology, it ensures superior cutting performance, all while operating quietly to minimize noise disruption. DeWalt understands the need for a seamless transition from gas to electric, providing a comprehensive electric ecosystem and offering multiple charging options. Looking for a reliable and durable tool storage system? The DeWalt Soft Storage Tool Rig is a solution for professionals. It is designed to be your ultimate companion on the job. This tool rig offers ample storage space for all your tools and accessories, making it easy to stay organized and focused on the task at hand. With its rugged construction and convenient features, this tool rig is built to withstand even the toughest job site conditions. With 26 spacious pockets, it offers quick access to all your essentials. Constructed to withstand even the harshest conditions, it combines 1680 denier fabric, dirt-repellent tarpaulin, reinforced rivets, and double stitching for unmatched strength and longevity. With 2 sturdy handles for effortless transport, this tool rig is your go-to solution. The DeWalt DW733QS thickness planer is a powerful tool that is specifically designed to handle large, deep cuts in hardwood with ease. With its 1800-watt motor, this planer can tackle even the toughest jobs with exceptional precision and accuracy. Its durable construction and innovative features make it an ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its robust 15 amperes motor easily handles demanding tasks, while its 3-knife cutter head, operating at 10,000 RPM, delivers an impressive 96 cuts per inch, providing a superb finish that rivals stationary planers. With disposable and reversible knives, changing blades is quick and effortless, while offering an increase in knife life by 30%, ensuring long-lasting performance. Now, if you're looking for a tool that provides outstanding performance without the need for fuel cells, the DeWalt DCN 890 concrete nailer is that tool. Its variable power settings, tool-free jam clearing, and high-capacity magazine make it a versatile and user-friendly option for professionals. This concrete nailer is designed to handle even the toughest jobs with ease, making it an ideal choice for construction, remodeling, and repair projects. Its brushless motor provides extended runtime and an impressive 600 shots per charge, making it a game changer in speed and efficiency. The dual LED work lights illuminate your work surface and enhance visibility even in low light conditions, making it an ideal choice for concrete and steel applications. Next up is the DeWalt DCC 1054 XR Flexvolt compressor. It is a reformed tool for professionals who demand both portability and power. Its heavy-duty roll cage provides exceptional durability, while its compact design ensures easy transportation. This compressor delivers outstanding performance, making it an ideal choice for professionals who need a reliable and efficient tool for their job site. Compatible with all pneumatic nailers and suitable for light framing and second fix tasks, it offers versatility on the job. Its efficient and reliable oil-free brushless motor reduces maintenance needs and extends tool life. With the ability to drive up to 1220 nails on a single charge, this compressor provides the freedom to tackle a full day's fastening work with just one battery. If you're looking for a reliable and durable radio that can keep up with your demanding workday, the DeWalt TSTAC Connect radio is a good pick. The DeWalt TSTAC Connect radio is the perfect job site companion, offering a powerful combination of features and rugged durability. Whether you're on a construction site or in the garage, this radio is built to withstand the toughest conditions while providing high-quality sound. Its IP54 rating ensures protection against water and dust, making it ready for any conditions. Compatible with DeWalt lithium-ion batteries, it provides cordless operation and charging functionality. Plus, its stackable design allows seamless integration with other TSTAC modules. Take control with the TSTAC Radio mobile app, unlocking remote control capabilities. So, that was the list of the DeWalt tools you have probably never seen before. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.